This is the RPP2 metal phono preamp. The RPP2 is a phono preamp that will make your albums come alive and sound the way they were originally intended to. This phono preamp has two purposes. First, if you have a home audio receiver that does not have a phono input and only has regular RCA inputs, the RPP2 will convert your records player phono level signal to a line level signal while applying a RIAA equalization curve to your playback device that will bring the recording as close as possible to the frequency response of the master recording. This will produce the full sonic spectrum of the recording the way it was originally intended. The bass and mid frequencies that are reduced during the cutting process of the vinyl will be brought back to their intended levels, while the high frequencies will be balanced, thus reducing the hiss and popping noises typically associated with turntables and record players. Second, if you have just an amplifier and no receiver, then you can use this phono preamp and plug your turntable or record player into the phono input here, and then either from the 1/4-inch TRS or RCA line output, you can go straight into your power amplifier. The build quality is super sturdy and durable with a nice clean design. There's a ground screw to reduce any noise you might get in your system, followed by the phono RCA inputs, and then that's followed by the line level RCA output and the 1/4-inch TRS line level output, which both have their own independent volume control, so you can control the level outputting from the two outputs. And a really cool feature is you can use both outputs simultaneously, so if you wanted to send one signal to the TRS output and one to the RCA output, you can totally do that. Another cool way to use this preamp is if you want to record or sample your vinyls into your digital audio workstation for music production. Since this preamp gets the output signal to a line level signal, you can plug the outputs directly into your interface through RCA or through a 1/4-inch TRS cable. You can also plug directly into an audio preamp, compressor, EQ, etc. for more recording options, which will allow you to get much cooler samples. So if you're looking for a metal phono to line level preamp converter, look no further than the RPP2 from Rockville.